Hello guys, for today's video I'll be showing you how to get an international point.com website from Namecheap. It starts only with almost $6. Getchup.com for just $5.1898. Here, search for your .com domain. Let's just say Madara. I'll be using it as an example for all my videos. Here we have first will be Madara.com, already taken, but you can still make an offer. If they like the offer, you can take it. New customer, getmite.com. So you can take it for almost $6 per year. The .com website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.